Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America lives a creature of remarkable tranquility. This is the sloth, a master of slowness and an expert at energy conservation. With their slow movements and serene demeanor, sloths have become symbols of a laid-back lifestyle. Sloths have captivated the world with their unhurried pace and gentle nature. Their slow-motion existence is not just a curious trait, but a well-honed survival strategy. They remind us that sometimes slowing down is the key to survival. In a world that often values speed and efficiency, sloths teach us the importance of patience and conservation. Their unusual lifestyle is a testament to the power of adaptation in the animal kingdom. Sloths have evolved to thrive in their unique environment, where moving slowly helps them avoid predators and conserve energy. Sloths are perfectly adapted to their arboreal homes, spending almost their entire lives hanging upside down. This inverted lifestyle allows them to blend seamlessly with the canopy, making them nearly invisible to predators. Their long claws provide a secure grip on branches, allowing them to conserve energy while they rest and sleep. These claws are not just tools for climbing, but essential for their survival. But the sloth's slowness is more than just a quirky trait. It is a crucial adaptation that allows them to thrive in an environment where resources can be scarce. By moving slowly, sloths reduce their need for food and water, making them perfectly suited for the rainforest. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, which are low in nutrients and take a long time to digest. This slow digestion process is another reason for their lethargic lifestyle, as it allows them to extract the maximum amount of energy from their food. Even in the face of changing weather conditions, sloths remain unperturbed. Their thick fur provides insulation against the rain, and their slow movements help them stay warm and dry. Sloths are also dedicated parents, with mothers carrying their young for months, teaching them the ways of the forest. This slow and steady approach to life ensures that each new generation is well prepared for the challenges of their environment. In the end, the sloth's slow pace is a beautiful reminder that sometimes the best way to navigate the world is to take it one slow step at a time. The secret to the sloth's leisurely lifestyle lies in their incredibly slow metabolism. Compared to other mammals of similar size, sloths have an exceptionally low metabolic rate. This means they require far less energy to survive, allowing them to subsist on a diet that would be insufficient for most other animals. One of the most fascinating aspects of sloth physiology is their ability to regulate their body temperature. Unlike most mammals, which maintain a constant body temperature, sloths can tolerate a wider range of internal temperatures. This flexibility allows them to conserve even more energy, as they don't need to expend as much effort on thermoregulation. The sloth's slow metabolism has a direct impact on their movement. With reduced muscle mass, their movements are deliberate and unhurried. On average, a sloth will travel only about 38 meters per day, a distance easily covered by a human in a few short steps. Despite their lack of speed, sloths are surprisingly adept at climbing. Their long claws act like hooks, allowing them to hang upside down for extended periods without expending much energy. Interestingly, sloths are also surprisingly good swimmers, using a slow, deliberate doggy paddle to navigate waterways. The sloth's diet is as specialized as their lifestyle. They are primarily folivores, meaning they feed almost exclusively on leaves, buds, and tender shoots. This diet is low in nutrients and energy, but it is perfectly suited to the sloth's slow metabolism. Digesting leaves is a slow and laborious process, and it can take a sloth up to a month to fully digest a single leaf. However, this slow digestion is another adaptation that helps them conserve energy. Their multi-chambered stomachs are home to specialized bacteria that break down the tough cellulose in leaves, extracting as much nutrition as possible. Section 5. Life in the treetops. The rainforest canopy is the sloth's domain. Here, amidst the dense foliage and towering trees, sloths find their sanctuary. The canopy provides them with ample food, shelter, and protection from many ground-dwelling predators. They are perfectly adapted to life in the trees, with their long claws and slow movements allowing them to move effortlessly through the branches. These claws act like natural hooks, giving them a firm grip on the branches, ensuring they rarely fall. Sloths spend the majority of their lives hanging upside down, even sleeping in this position. This unique behavior is not just a quirk, it's a survival strategy. By hanging upside down, they can stay hidden from predators that roam the forest floor. Their upside-down lifestyle is made possible by the unique attachment of their organs to their rib cage. This anatomical adaptation ensures that their internal organs do not press down on their lungs, allowing them to breathe comfortably even when inverted. This prevents their organs from pressing down on their lungs, allowing them to breathe easily even when inverted. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it enables them to remain in their preferred upside-down position for extended periods. Sloths will only descend from the trees about once a week to urinate and defecate. This infrequent descent minimizes their exposure to predators on the forest floor, such as jaguars and large snakes. By limiting their time on the ground, sloths reduce the risk of being caught by predators. Their slow and deliberate movements, both in the trees and on the ground, are a testament to their highly specialized way of life in the treetops. Section 6. A coat of many colors. The sloth, a creature often associated with slow movement and a laid-back lifestyle, has a fascinating and unique adaptation in its fur. The sloth's fur is another remarkable adaptation. Unlike the smooth, sleek fur of most mammals, sloth fur is long, coarse, and often appears green. This greenish hue is not due to the color of the fur itself, but rather to the presence of algae that grow on it. The algae find a perfect home in the grooves and ridges of the sloth's fur, thriving in the humid and warm environment of the rainforest. These algae are not harmful to the sloth. In fact, they play a crucial role in the sloth's survival. The algae provide camouflage, helping the sloth to blend in with the surrounding foliage and avoid detection by predators. This natural disguise is essential for the sloth as it moves slowly and would otherwise be an easy target for predators. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the sloth and the algae. The algae gain a stable place to live and access to sunlight, while the sloth gains an effective means of camouflage. This mutualistic relationship is a perfect example of how species can evolve together to enhance each other's survival. Additionally, the algae may provide some nutritional benefits to the sloth. When the sloth grooms itself, it may ingest some of the algae, which could supplement its diet. This added nutrition is particularly valuable given the sloth's low-energy lifestyle and slow metabolism. This symbiotic relationship benefits both the sloth and the algae, as the algae gain a stable place to live and access to sunlight. The sloth's fur, therefore, is not just a coat of many colors, but a testament to the intricate and interdependent relationships that thrive in the natural world. Section 7. The sloth's tiny helpers. The sloth's fur is not only home to algae, it also provides a habitat for a variety of insects, including moths. These moths are not parasites. They have a mutually beneficial relationship with the sloth. The moths lay their eggs in the sloth's dung, which provides a rich source of nutrients for their larvae. When the adult moths emerge, they fly up into the sloth's fur where they mate and lay their eggs, continuing the cycle. The moths also contribute to the growth of the algae by providing them with nitrogen-rich fertilizer in the form of their droppings. Section 8. A world of adaptations. The sloth's slow-paced lifestyle, low metabolism, specialized diet, and symbiotic relationships with algae and moths are all testaments to the power of adaptation. Through millions of years of evolution, sloths have become perfectly suited to their unique ecological niche. Their adaptations not only allow them to survive, but also to thrive in an environment where other animals might struggle. The sloth story reminds us that there is no single path to success in the animal kingdom, and that diversity is essential for a healthy planet. Section 9. Protecting the slow lane. As human activities continue to encroach on rainforests around the world, it is more important than ever to protect the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Sloths, with their specialized adaptations and slow reproductive rates, are particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and degradation. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on the environment, and appreciating the incredible diversity of life on Earth, we can help ensure that these gentle creatures continue to grace our planet with their unhurried pace for generations to come.